So I'm munching away on some of my favorite nuts, honey roasted peanuts. And I just had my mind blown. Try and hold this just right so you can see it while I'm driving. I think I may be too far away. Ready to have your mind blown? Honey roasted peanuts contains peanuts. Who knew? Crazy. Big long tunnel. Oh, cool. Always gotta honk while driving through a tunnel. So yeah, I stand corrected. I got crap in my mouth. It contains peanut. Trust me, it just contains peanut. Like there's just one peanut in there. And it's letting you know on the side of the label that it contains a peanut. Thank you, label. I almost thought it was something else. Wow.